Hello dear student. Today I am going to describe about both the list, ordered list and unordered list within the same HTML page or web page. In previous two classes individually I described about unordered list with UL tag and ordered list with OL tag. Now I am going to show you how to use both the list, ordered list and unordered list within the same web page. So let's start. Students, we can add and we can use ordered list with OL tag and LI tag, as well as unordered list with UL tag and LI tag within the same web page. And we have to add UL tag or unordered list and OL tag for ordered list within the body part of HTML document. So let's start. Here in the first line, I have given the starting HTML tag. After that, I have started the head tag. Within the head tag, I have mentioned the title tag, and the title of the web page is www.scms.com. And then I have finished the title with ending title tag. After that, in the next line, I have started the heading of the web page. The heading size is H1, that is mentioned. Then U tag is mentioned. Then center tag is mentioned. Then the main heading Satish Chandra Memorial School is mentioned. After that, the ending tag of center, ending tag of underline and ending tag of H1 is given. In the next line, the second heading of the web page is given. H2 tag is given. That means the H2 heading size is given. Then the underline tag is given. Then the center tag is given. Then academic year 2020-21, this heading is given. After that, the center tag, ending center tag is given, ending U tag is given, and ending H2 tag is given. So thus we finish our head part. So I have completed the head part by giving the ending head tag. After that, I have started the body tag or body part of HTML document with the body tag. Within the starting body tag, I have mentioned BG color equal to cyan, that means light blue. After that, I have started the body with the semi heading. You can tell it as a semi heading, that subject combination class 8. So the semi heading size I have maintained H2. So H2 tag is given, starting H2 tag is given, then underline tag is given, then subject combination class 8 is given. After that, ending tag of U is given and ending tag of H2 is given. So after that, I'm going to add an unordered list of all the possible subject combination of class 8. So starting UL tag is given to start the unordered list. After that, I have given the LI tag. I have mentioned LI English and ending LI tag for the English subject, and the same I have mentioned the starting and ending LI tag for rest of the subjects. That means for mathematics, science, SST, Bengali, history, Hindi and computer. For all the subjects I have used corresponding starting LI tag and ending LI tag. You know, LI tag is used for the list index or list items. So here the unordered list is completed with the ending tag of UL. So like this, I have added one unordered list where I have mentioned 7 subjects starting from English to computer. After that, I have given another semi heading starting with H2 heading size and then underline tag U tag. After that, the heading is exam schedule of class 8. Then U tag is completed with ending U tag and then ending H2 tag. So this is the second semi heading. After that, under this heading, one ordered list is created with the OL tag. We have 4 scheduled exam name, and these are pre-meet, mid-term, post-meet, and final exam. So for 4 individual exams, I have mentioned the starting and ending LI tag, and thus pre-meet, mid-term, post-meet, and final term becomes the list element or list index for the ordered list. The ordered list is completed with final term, and then I have mentioned the ending tag of OL. Thus, one ordered list is added with the web page. And now again, the last and third semi heading is given with H2 heading size and underline tag is started, and after that big vacations of class 8, this is the heading, third or last heading, and then the semi heading is completed with the ending tag of underline tag and ending tag of H2. Then we are starting with UL tag. The UL tag is given, the starting UL tag is given, and after that we have added 4 big vacations: summer vacation, Durga Puja, Christmas, and session break. So 4 big vacations name here mentioned with the LI, starting LI tag and ending LI tag. And when the UL tag is completed, the unordered list is completed, I have completed the unordered list with ending UL tag. And after that, the body is completed with ending body tag and ending HTML tag. I have completed the entire HTML code or document. So now I'm just running this program. When I'm running the program looks like something like this. When I'm running the program, suppose the program looks like this. You can see the program. Here it is mentioned Satish Chandra Memorial School, the heading, first heading, then academic year 2020-21 it is coming. After that you can see the unordered list, semi heading has come, subject combination class 8. Under that I added 7 list indexes or list item that has come with the bullet tag, bullet. So it represents that this list is unordered list. After that the second semi heading has come, exam schedule of class 8, and after that I added 4 items. Now it is an ordered list, so the list has come with the number 1 2 3 4 with the multiple exams that we have within one academic session. And lastly, the third semi heading has come, big vacation of class 8. It is also again we have added the unordered list, so the unordered list has come, summer vacation, Durga Puja, Christmas session with the bullets because it is an unordered list. So here I have shown how to add ordered list, multiple ordered list and unordered list within the web page along with the semi headings. So thank you all the students